مدارس عنيزة الأهلية، رؤية جديدة، إدارة واعدة، خبرات تربوية رائدة، خدمات تعليمية متميزة.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا بكم جريد 9 مع درس جديد من دروس الإنجليش. معاكم مس فاطمة سعيد، مدارس عنيزة الأهلية، المسار المصري. Today إن شاء الله we're gonna study and revise gerund and infinitive. If we start to speak about the gerund, we should know the form and the usage of the gerund. What about the gerund? Gerund is to add ing to the verb. For example, go, going, give, giving. Take care of E, letter E. We cross E to add ing. Also, dig will be digging. Here also, we double letter G because this verb ends with a consonant, and before consonant, there is a vowel. Also, this is one syllable, not two syllables. So again, because it's one syllable, we double letter G because it's at the end of the verb, it's a consonant, and before it there is a vowel, so digging. Die, this verb ends with IE, so if you want to add ing to this verb, cross IE, then add Y, then ing. What about label or travel or cancel? If you want to add ing to this verb, double letter L at the end of the verb, then add ing. Great. After that, what are the types or the cases that we can add ing to the verb? Gerunds can be used as a subject of a sentence. For example, surfing. This is the subject here, not like he is surfing. If you say he is surfing or she is surfing, surfing will be a verb, but here surfing as a subject. Surfing the internet is my favorite hobby. Also, I can say cooking is my favorite hobby. I can say also eating healthy food is very useful. Eating. So here eating or surfing or drinking is a subject, not a verb. This is as for number 1. What about number 2? After these following verbs, you can add ing to the verb. For example, admit, avoid, begin, continue, consider, deny, fancy, finish, give up, go on, keep on, intend, start, stop, and try. Try writing, stop talking, start reading, intend traveling. So the verb after these verbs, we must add ing to it. Okay, clear. Another verbs that you can add ing to the end of these verbs. Imagine, miss, postpone, practice, risk, suggest, can't help, it's no use, there is no point in, it's no good, it's worth. My dear, here pay attention, you should memorize all these verbs to be perfect in answering the gerund. So watch this video 2 times at least in order to memorize these verbs. Great job. Okay. Also, after these following verbs, you can add ing. For example, like, enjoy, love, prefer, don't mind, can't stand, and hate. But my dear, pay attention to these 4 verbs. You can say like playing tennis or like to play tennis. Enjoy drinking coffee or enjoy to drink coffee. Like to watch videos or like watching videos. Prefer, also here, prefer eating pizza or prefer to eat pizza. So these verbs you can add to plus infinitive or gerund. Gerund means to add ing at the end of the verb. Great. Also, my dear, take care of after these verbs. Take care after these verbs, the verb go, the verb do. Go dancing. I can't say go dance or go shop. I must say go dancing, go shopping, go fishing, go swimming. So add ing to the verb after go. What about do? Do the ironing, do the cleaning, do the washing up. Can I say do the wash up? Do the clean? No, not right. So again, after verb do and go, the verb you must add ing to it. Great. Also, gerunds can be used after prepositions. What the means of prepositions? Of course, it means in, on, at, from, about, with, under. All of these called prepositions. So, he is good at dancing. They are afraid of swimming. Take care of dancing and swimming. Ing to this verb because of at or of or any preposition. Great. Additionally, gerunds can be used in signs for prohibited actions. You know, prohibited actions, if someone tell you, or if there is any signs that tells you no smoking, no diving, no taking photos. Can you say no smoke, no dive? It's incorrect. So, no smoking, no diving, no touching, and so on. Follow? Let's follow number 6. Gerunds can be used in compounds to indicate the functions of something. For example, a surfing board. I can't say a surfboard board, or a shop center, a shopping center, a surfing board. Again, my dear, pay attention to these expressions and these compounds to memorize them, and you should be very perfect to answer the questions about it. Type number 6, gerunds can be used in present and past continuous. Of course, he is writing. I can't say he is right, or they were speak. He is writing on the board. Writing here, it's a verb, not a noun. It's a verb. But what shall I do if I start by saying writing is very useful? Writing is very useful is a noun. It's an adjective. It's a subject. If I say writing is very useful, it's a noun and also it's a subject. But here if I say he is writing, writing is a verb. Okay. They were speaking to me. Speaking, here it's a verb. We add ing to it because it's present continuous and past continuous. Go to some verbs that may be infinitives or gerunds. So you can treat it like infinitives to add infinitive after it or to add gerund. For example, start, begin, continue, intend, also like, love, enjoy, prefer. Okay. What about these types of verbs? Infinitives, not gerund. If you start your sentence by writing I'd love, you should write to infinitive. So you can't say I'd love reading or I'd like drinking. No, incorrect. I must start by saying I'd love to eat. I'd, here it's abbreviation for I would. I'd like to, I would like to. So this is abbreviation or contraction for I would. I plus I, then add apostrophe, then letter D. I'd hate means I would hate to swim, for example, or to hop or to wait. The last one, I'd prefer means I would prefer to. I would prefer to drink coffee or drink juice or watch a movie, and so on, like this. So, my dear, it's time for your homework. You will speak about yourself and talk about yourself. You have 4 questions to speak about yourself. Do you like learning English? Take care. Here I write learning because it will be gerund, to learn, infinitive, doing, gerund, also doing, gerund. Question 1, do you like learning English and why? Write in your notebook and send it to me. Would you like to learn other foreign language? Which one and why? Question 3, what are you thinking of doing on Saturday morning? Question 4, what do you enjoy doing in the evenings? I want all of you, my dear, to write these 4 questions and their answers in your notebook. Everyone will write by her own ideas and her own words. Great job. So, my dear, We have reached the end of our today's lesson. I hope you get benefit from this presentation. Don't forget your homework. Have a great day. Goodbye.